we come to second, how do you prepare? So you said that's good, but how do we prepare? A very famous quote by a British Prime Minister, Benjamin Disraeli. The secret of success in life is for a man to be ready when its opportunity comes. I repeat again, the secret of success in life for a man is to be prepared when the opportunity comes. Because when the opportunity comes, you don't have time to prepare, trust on me. Then question comes, what is decisions? I'll give you 4 simple lines for decision. You don't make decisions because they are easy. I repeat again, you don't make decisions because they are easy. Neither you make decisions because they are cheap, nor you make a decision because they are popular. Actually, you make a decision because they are right. And it takes strong backbone to make right decisions. That's very important. And second is discipline. I repeat again, there are only 2 ways you can prepare. 2 simple ingredients, decision and discipline. And I'll give you a 3-piece puzzle for decision and discipline. You make good decisions, but you don't have daily discipline. I repeat again, you have good decision, but you don't have daily discipline to follow your decision. What is the outcome? Outcome is a plan without a payoff. Is it not what we all do? We all take a great decision. Yes, I have to become one day financially free. Is it not a great decision? But then question comes of disciplining. Daily discipline, no, very difficult. Oh, you don't understand, I don't have time. And I always say that, you don't have time to become financially free. Are you kidding me? That's a problem. So decision and no daily discipline is a plan without a payoff. Second, daily discipline is there, but then you don't have good decisions. What does it mean? It's like, I'll give you a simple analogy. Daily discipline without a good decision is like a jumping horse moving nowhere. Imagine a horse jumping like this in one place. What does it do? It just burns your calorie. Good for weight management, not good for life, by the way. Alright? So, daily discipline minus good decisions is regimentation without reward. So, there's no reward for that. You keep working hard. These are the people who work a lot of hard work and they say, man, I have been working very hard and I got nothing out of it. Reason being, you have daily discipline, you work hard, but then you don't have good decision making capacity. Your decisions are always wrong and you keep hopping from one decision to another, to another, to another, to another. You don't stick to any one good decision. Third piece of the puzzle, and that is where the game is. Good decisions plus daily discipline. I repeat again, good decisions plus daily discipline is a masterpiece of potential. That's the game.